Okay, let's get right into it. Way down in the heart of the Amazon, scientists have stumbled upon a story that, well, it feels more like a thriller movie than a biology paper. I mean, we're talking about a totally new discovery that just rewrites the rulebook for one of the world's most famous predators.
And it all kicks off with this. This one, wild observation. Seriously, forget what you know about the circle of life. For this particular creature, the active mating of creating new life is literally a fight for survival. It's just pure high-stakes drama.
So that's the big question, right? How on earth could mating become a life or death struggle? I mean, what kind of crazy evolutionary pressure pushes a species to a point where survival and reproduction are basically enemies? Well, to answer that, we have to meet the creature at the center of all this.
So it's time to pull back the curtain and meet the star of our show. We're shifting from the what, this insane struggle, to the who. Let's unveil the incredible predator behind all this chaos.
Everybody, meet Satyrex. And get this isn't just a new species we're talking about. Nope, it's a whole new genus of tarantula. That is a huge deal, and it's got the scientific community absolutely buzzing. And trust me, as you're about to find out, it has definitely earned its fearsome reputation.
Now, just so you get how big a deal this is, let's talk about what a genus even means. Look, finding a new species is cool, for sure. But finding a whole new genus? That's like discovering a major, unknown branch on the tree of life. It's a massive signal that there's a totally unique evolutionary story happening here, one we've never, ever seen before.
So where's this mysterious new branch coming from? Where else? The Amazon rainforest. Satyrex is technically part of the tarantula family, the Theraphacidae family to be exact, but it's a total outlier, a true resident of one of the most packed and most mysterious places on the entire planet. Okay, so what makes this tarantula so special that scientists had to create a whole new category for it? Well, the answer is all in its body. It's like it's been perfectly engineered for a super dangerous lifestyle.
If you look at other tarantulas, they have pretty standard mating gear, right? But Satyrex, it's playing a whole different game. We're talking about things like reinforced spines on its legs, basically to block attacks from the much bigger female. Or these specially shaped parts on the male that let him transfer genetic material way faster. These aren't just for looks, they're weapons, they're tools, all built for one thing: high-speed, defensive survival in a super violent situation.
So here's the bottom line. Its entire body has been shaped by the most intense pressure you can imagine. Every single unique spine, every little specialized part, it's all an answer to the deadly problem of its own mating ritual. Which brings us to the ritual itself. Now that we know the creature, what makes it unique, and just how high the stakes are, it's time to see this deadly dance in action. And it all goes down in 4 pretty heart-pounding steps. First, you've got the male's big gamble. He's way smaller, and he has to approach this much larger, much more aggressive female. Her response? Not exactly a warm welcome. It's a threat display, basically showing him how lethal she is. Then, step 3 is the actual mating. It's explosive, and it's over in a split second. And finally, step 4, the most important part for him? The mad dash to escape before she makes him her post-coital snack. Just think about that for a second. Evolution literally created a situation where the one thing you're driven to do, pass on your genes, is also the thing that's most likely to kill you. Wow. Now, from the female's point of view, this whole brutal process makes sure that only the absolute fastest, strongest, and best adapted males get to be fathers. For the male Satyrex, there are no do-overs. Every single attempt is the ultimate roll of the dice. So this whole incredible, kind of brutal story is actually about more than just a weird spider. The discovery of Satyrex really tells us something much bigger about how we view our planet. And it really all boils down to this one simple number. 1. One new genus. One discovery that cracks open a window into a world we didn't even know was there. It's just a huge reminder that our map of the natural world, it's still got a whole lot of blank spaces. And yeah, you guessed it, a lot of those blank spaces are in the Amazon. It really is one of Earth's last great frontiers. Think of it like a giant, living library filled with evolutionary stories we haven't even opened yet. Discoveries like Satyrex are proof that incredible wonders and mysteries are still out there, hiding in plain sight. And that leaves us with a final, kind of mind-blowing thought. This epic life and death battle of the Satyrex tarantula has been happening in secret for millions of years, without us ever knowing. So, if a drama this intense was hidden just under a few leaves, what else is out there, just waiting to be found?